All right. We would like to answer practice test number 2. How are f of x is square root of x squared and g of x is x different?
We're not.
So we'd like to think that they're not, right? Because the square and the square root should probably undo one another, right? Yeah, except they don't. Why don't they undo one another? Yeah, there's something about the undoing of even powers that's a little bit screwy, right? Where does that issue come in? Like, when do I see that issue? Should we just try it with a couple of numbers?
Yeah.
Okay, so if I feed g a number, what's it going to give me back?
That same number.
That same number, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so I might think, like, here's a sheet that I'm going to label a table in for g, right? So, like, maybe 1 goes to 1 and 0 goes to 0. Oops. And what's your third favorite thing to plug into functions?
Negative one.
Negative 1. Where's negative 1 go?
Negative one.
Negative 1, right? And then over here in this red sheet, we'll label what f does, right? So where's f take 1?
1.
1 squared square root, right? Which is still 1. Okay, so g and f act the same on 1, right? How about 0? Where's 0 go? Yeah, it goes to 0 squared square root gives you 0. How about negative 1?
Yeah, you can't put a negative.
I can't put a negative in a square root, but I don't have to here. Because I've got the square root of negative 1
Right.
squared, right?
One.
Is 1, and I'm feeding 1 to a square root. What do I get back out?
Positive
1.
Is not the same.
Okay, so what's the difference?
1. When you give f a negative value, it turns it positive.
Yeah. You guys see that? F loses minus signs, right? We actually know a name for the function f. F is actually the absolute value of x. So what's the difference between f and g? F loses signs. Or f makes everything positive and g doesn't. Right? Something like that. Cool? Questions, concerns? What? Erase the sheet. Yeah, we might be done with sheet.